The Showdown is back for the Triathlon. The Triathlon? Remember, it's a new event. Never been featured before. In any league, the Showdown gets to have their turn now. To see if they can become champions. You see lava walkers. Chill slide of the oceans and Hornets will be out first. And more. Hornets in front. Ocean is second one now. Looks like these two will be moving on. Oh, hold on. Two slides in there? Nah. Nah. Easy advancement for Ocean. Ocean's reserved, actually, so good for them. Dishwashers, green lines, red peppers and ketchups. Ketchups in one, red peppers second. Green lines third. Can green lines catch up? No. Oh, here comes dishwashers, but no. Green lines, I thought you're good enough for dead last. Yay! Go green lines! You get no points right now, but now go sweet sour, sugar crush, sippy waters, and misty mystics. Oh, sweet sours, hugely. Sugar crush is second, and that's how it's gonna finish. So finally, that team will actually get some decent points in the mixing. I cannot speak tonight. Okay, wonderful. Honeybees, chocolate bars. Team who will win this one? Honeybees in front and chocolate blast in second. By the way, that black marble that was racing just then, that was Team Mayhem. The black marble that moved on before, that was the Hornets. 3 cells, red peppers, Hornets and ketchups in front. Hornets second right now, red peppers in third. Whoa! Ketchups for the third, and they were not advanced. Hornets to the final. They needed that in their home turf. Honeybee, chocolate blast, sugar crush, and Team Ocean. They get the chocolate blast in front, and they two will advance. No. Yes, I mean. No. This is basically all newcomers except for Hornets. But who will get the gold? And more. Sugar blast in front. Honeybee the second one now. And that's how it's gonna stay. Chocolate blast and blasting off into event number 2. Chocolate blast wins the gold. Honeybees will get silver. Red peppers the bronze. We'll be back again here for the C League with 13 new teams competing for a spot in the B League qualifiers next season. See you for that. Let's see how our new teams will go.